Hey everyone, welcome back to Job Code. It has been a while, but we are back with an exciting continuation of our .NET MAUI series. Today, we'll be diving into layouts in .NET MAUI, which are crucial to designing the UI of your cross-platform applications. In this video, we will go over the different type of layouts in .NET MAUI. We will discuss what they are, when to use them, and how they affect the visual structure of your app. Alright, let's begin by understanding what layouts are in .NET MAUI. Layouts are containers used to position and size UI elements like buttons, labels, and other controls on the screen. They also manage the arrangement of child elements in a parent container. In .NET MAUI, we have several types of layouts that help us structure our UI, including stack layout, horizontal stack layout, vertical stack layout, grid, absolute layout, and flex layout. The most commonly used layouts are the stack layout and grid, but each one has its specific use cases, depending on the design of your application. So what's the difference between stack layout, grid, and others? Here is a quick rundown. Stack layout arranges elements either vertically or horizontally. Horizontal stack layout and vertical stack layout are most specialized versions, providing clearer control over horizontal or vertical alignment. Grid allows you to define rows and columns, providing more structured control over where elements appear. Absolute layout lets you position elements using absolute coordinates, which is useful for custom designs. Flex layout is very flexible, as the name suggests, and allows for more complex arrangement of items like wrapping or distributing space evenly. This was a quick brief about the different type of layouts available in .NET MAUI. In our upcoming videos, we will explore each of these layouts in depth, starting with stack layout in our next episode. We will look at the practical examples and how you can use these layouts to create beautiful and responsive application design in .NET MAUI. Make sure to like, share, and hit the bell icon so you do not miss any future content. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.